So, so it's 10:30. I think we have the required number of shareholders attending. With the permission of the board, if I may just mention that. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the 16th EGM. I request Mr. Ashish Bahugunaji, who has been appointed as the chairman of the board, subject to the approval of SEBI, to chair this meeting. Mr. Bahugunaji, if you can kindly chair and conduct this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, Hoshiji. Good morning to everybody. I extend a very warm welcome to all of you to this, the 16th EGM of NCDEX. As you are aware, this EGM is being held through video conferencing because of the prevailing pandemic, and the Ministry of Corporate Affairs has been kind enough to grant us the requisite relaxations to do so. Members may also note that pursuant to MCA circulars dated April 8th, April 13th of 2020, June 15th, and September 28th of 2020, and December 31st of 2020. According to that circular, the arrangements have been made to hold this EGM through video conferencing and to enable members to participate in the EGM and to vote on the items being considered in the meeting. If I may, I would like to introduce the directors present at the meeting. All right. Them as I see them. There is Mr. Venugopal from the LIC. There is Mr. Venkat Chalsani, who is the newly appointed public interest director. Mr. Rakesh Kapoor, who represents IFCO. Dr. Purvi Mehta, who is a public interest director. Mr. Hemant Adarkar, who is a newly appointed public interest director. Mr. Mani Kumar, who is a shareholder director representing NABARD. Mr. Sheena, who is also a shareholder director representing the OIGF. Mr. P.K. Malhotra, who is a public interest director. And I think I have covered all the directors. And if I haven't, their names are displayed. Oh, I'm sorry. I think I haven't covered Dr. Ashok Gulati, who's the most preeminent public interest director of all of those present here today, due to the rest. So they are all here to participate in this EGM. I think we have the full attendance of directors. So we are all here today. Hoshiji, how many members are present?
Sorry.
I'm sorry, I couldn't. Sorry. Could you repeat yourself, Mr. Hoshiji? And could I request the other participants kindly keep themselves on mute? Otherwise, there's a chance of an echo.
Yes, sir. Sir, 5 is the quorum, and there are 7 members attending the meeting currently.
Excellent.
Can you hear me, sir?
So 7 members or their authorized representatives. Yes. No. Thank you.
Sir.
7 members or their authorized representatives are present in this meeting through video conferencing. Yes. I would request these members to kindly introduce themselves and the organizations they represent. Please.
Yes, sir.
I am Vivek Tandon, representing IFCO.
This is Divyanshi from MSC.
I am Vishal Verma. I am representing Oman India Joint Investment Fund.
Good morning.
Yeah, hi, this is Anupriya Agrawal from Investcorp.
Morning.
Good morning, all. This is Neha Gupta from NABARD.
Morning.
Good morning, sir. I am R.S. Ramesh from LIC.
Good morning. Is there anybody else left out?
Morning, sir. This is Avinash from NCDX.
Right. Please, yes. I think the management representatives could also introduce themselves, please.
I'm Atul Rungta. I'm the CFO at NCDX.
Sir, this is Sachin
I'm
Negandhi.
Seema
We are the statutory auditors of NCDEX.
So Seema Nayak from NCDA.
Good morning, this is Hitesh Savla from NCDX.
Good morning. This is Uma Shankar. I have been appointed as scrutinizer for this meeting.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
This is Aditi Mukherjee, HR head for NCDX.
Good morning. This side Kirati, like we are the secretarial auditor of the company.
Good morning. This is Satish, part of the HR team NCDX.
Has everybody managed to introduce themselves? And if so, we can proceed. It's now past 10:30, and the necessary quorum being present, the meeting is declared open.
But there is a representative from Canara Bank also, sir.
Could you?
There is a
kindly-
representative from Canara Bank.
Right. Thank you. So since quorum is present, we can now proceed with the meeting. Members would recall that SEBI had directed the exchange to freeze voting rights and restrict entitlement to any other corporate benefits, including dividend over and above 5% of the paid up capital of the exchange of two members, that is IFCO and Oman India Joint Investment Fund. Initially, this freeze and restrictions were till compliance with the SEC regulations 2018 or a period of 9 months from May 5, 2019. Thereafter, on a number of occasions, SEBI has extended the timelines for compliance of these provisions. Now, the last communication from SEBI, via their email dated April 19, 2021, has further extended the timelines to comply with shareholding requirement as per SEC regulations 2018 till April 8, 2022 for OIJIF and till December 31, 2021 for IFCO, with the condition that other directions issued with respect to the excess shareholding will remain in force till compliance with the SEC regulations 2018. Now, we have to give effect to the directions of SEBI. And as you all are already aware, the voting at the EGM will be conducted through poll. The exchange has appointed Messrs. Hugh Hegde and Associates as the scrutinizer to conduct the polling process. Further, in terms of Article 105 of the Articles of Association of the Exchange, the chairman of the meeting is required to appoint two scrutinizers to scrutinize the votes cast in the poll and to submit the report thereon. Of the two scrutinizers appointed under this article, one has to be a member, not being an officer or employee of the company, who is present at the meeting, provided that such a member is available and willing to be so appointed. So in order to have two scrutinizers for the poll process, we already have Hegde and Company. So, but to ensure another scrutinizer for the poll process, may I request one of the members present to give their consent to act as a scrutinizer? Any of the members present here may kindly give their consents for the same now, if they would. Are there any offers on this score? Well, if not, we can proceed. Since none of the members have agreed to act as a scrutinizer, the report of the scrutinizer will be signed by Messrs. U. Hegde and Associates only, and the same shall be noted in the minutes of the meeting. With the permission of the members, I take the notice of the meeting as read. Thank you. I'm sure all of you have received the poll paper sent on your registered email ID. Members may note that the aforesaid MCA circulars also state that in case the counting of votes requires time, the said meeting can be adjourned and called later to declare the results. However, I'm sure that we won't need to take recourse to this particular provision. I would request all the members or their authorized representatives to send their votes on the poll papers to the scrutinizer immediately after the item listed in the notice has been taken up. This will enable the scrutinizer to declare results quickly and will also enable us to complete the meeting without adjournment. I would now take up the item listed in the notice, if I may. The first item is regarding the continuation of Mr. Vijay Kumar as the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Exchange for a period of 3 months with effect from January 18, 2021. Members are requested to approve and ratify the continuation of and remuneration paid or payable to Mr. Vijay Kumar as the MD and CEO of the Exchange for a period of 3 months with effect from January 18, 2021 till April 17, 2021. Now, the details of this item have been shared with all the members in the explanatory statement attached with the notice. However, you would recall that the original term of Mr. Vijay Kumar was for a period of 3 years from January 18, 2018 till January 17, 2021. However, since the exchange was not able to appoint a suitable person as MD and CEO by this date, SEBI, via their letter dated December 31, 2020, extended the tenure of Mr. Vijay Kumar as MD and CEO for a period of 3 months till April 17, 2021. So in view of this, Mr. Vijay Kumar continued as the MD and CEO till the 17th of April 2021, subject, of course, to the approvals of the members of this company. If the members have any other clarification to seek at this juncture, they are free to do so now. Otherwise, we can put the resolution to vote as a special resolution. So if there are no clarifications, can I request somebody to propose this resolution?
So Oman India would like to propose it.
NSC can second it.
And thank you very much. Members may kindly cast their vote in the poll paper emailed on the registered email ID for this particular item. If you can do so immediately, that will be, that will enable expeditious finalization and completion of this EGM. So thank you very much. With your permission then, may I move on to the second item in the agenda, which is regarding the appointment of Mr. Arun Raste as Director of the Exchange. This item also, the details of this item have been covered exhaustively in the explanatory statement attached to the notice of this meeting. As you are aware, and in fact, this and the third item in the agenda, which is the appointment of Mr. Arun Raste as the MD and CEO, are deal with the same issue at hand. Now, following the detailed process of selection, of MD and CEO for this exchange, the NRC had shortlisted 2 names which had been approved by the board and submitted to SEBI for their approval. And SEBI had approved the appointment of Mr. Arun Raste as MD and CEO for NCDX for a period of 5 years from the date he assumes office. Now, for this approval to be actualized and to take effect, it would first be necessary to appoint Mr. Raste as director of the exchange. The exchange has already received notice under Section 160 of the Companies Act 2013 for appointment of Mr. Arun Raste as director of the exchange. Now, if any members present here would like to seek further clarifications on this item, they are free to do so. Otherwise, we can then put this resolution to vote as an ordinary resolution. So could I request one of the members present to propose this and another member to kindly second this resolution, please?
I can propose a resolution.
Thank you very
Your
much.
name, please. Your name, please, madam.
Neha.
Neha.
Would some member be so kind as to second it?
Oman India can second it, sir.
Thank you very much. Members may kindly cast their vote in the poll paper emailed on the register email ID in regard to this item as well. Thank you. We can now, if you all agree, move to the third item in the agenda, which is regarding the appointment of Mr. Arun Raste as the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the exchange. The details of this agenda item have also been covered in the explanatory statement attached to the notice of this meeting. And this item is intrinsically linked with the item on which members have already cast their vote to appointment of Mr. Raste as director. So,
meeting attend kar lo jara.
Mr. Raste satisfies all the requirements and all the conditions for appointment as MD and CEO, and is eligible for appointment as such. And his name has also been approved by SEBI accordingly. He has a vast and varied experience working with various organizations, including NABARD, the Kotak Bank, the IDFC Group, and at present he holds the position of Executive Director in the NDDB, the National Dairy Development Board. So we are very happy, in fact, to have to soon have the services of Mr. Arun Raste with the exchange. If any of the members present would like to seek further clarifications on this issue, they are free to do so now. If not, then may I put this resolution to vote as a special resolution, for which I would again need a proposer as well as a seconder. If any of the members would volunteer, please.
Myself, Shiv Kumar Rastogi from Punjab National Bank.
Thank you.
LAC can second it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Members may now kindly cast their vote in the poll paper emailed on their register email ID. The emails have to be sent to Mr. Umashankar Hegde at his email address, which is umashankar.hegde@gmail.com. That is umashankar.hegde@gmail.com. Now we will wait for the polling exercise to be completed. And the scrutinizer to count the votes polled thereafter and declare the result. So please bear with us. We have to wait till you Hegde and Associates complete the work assigned to them.
इसको मेल कर
अपना नहीं है आईटी बीपीआर डाला है ना उनको आईटी में जाना है
करिए जरा इसको स्कैन करके ना हमें पहले कर
क्या है
जो करेंगे ना
कौन है उनका नाम क्या मंत्री कौन है मुझे तो पता नहीं बोर्ड मीटिंग हाँ बोर्ड मीटिंग अपना ही तो अच्छा उनका आया है ये
जीबीएमडी पे भेजना पीएनबी वाली शिव वाली
So may we request others to please mute their phone if it's not related to this meeting.
Thank you, Srinathji. Kindly participants to please note if you could kindly keep yourself on mute unless you have something specific to address the EGM on. Please, I shall be grateful for your cooperation. Thank you.
ये क्या हो गया लोग हो गया PNB @1 2 3 4
रस्तोगी जी, आप अपना फोन को जरा म्यूट कर देंगे। ये जो वीडियो चल रहा है आपका, तो हम लोग अपना काम कर लेंगे। यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा दिक्कत हो रही है कि आप इस मीटिंग में के लिए बोल रहे हैं कि कुछ और चल रहा है।
ठीक,
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
Is there some kind of glitch, or how soon can we get ready with the results, please? Oshiji, you are on mute.
Sir, we received from 4 of the members if we can wait for another 5 minutes, the rest should be able to provide their responses.
Okay, thank you. May I request all the members who have not yet voted to kindly do so at the earliest, please? Thank you.
Sir, this is Vishal from Oman, India. With the permission, may I request, since we are waiting, can the management give us a 2-minute update on if there is there any business impact of the second wave of COVID?
Right, certainly. I suppose, yes, you're entitled to ask that, and I think all members would be interested. As you know, we have now a committee in charge in the absence of regular MD and CEO till Mr. Raste joins. So I think the CFO of the company, Mr. Atul Rungta-ji, may I request him to
Sure, sir.
kindly brief the participants on how the second wave of COVID is impacting us? Because before that, we were all feeling and hoping that the exchange has turned the corner. But Mr. Rungta, please go ahead.
Sure, sir. So I'll just start from maybe the last year itself. So clearly, the first wave had a significant impact on the physical agri markets, and therefore also and the brokers and of the exchange, and therefore the volumes were affected. But from a low of about 600 crore in May, what we had seen was about 2,100 crore ADTV in March. In April of this year, which is the first month of the current financial year, we've seen an ADTV of about 2,900 crores. So we've certainly seen improvements in the ADTVs in April. Currently, in the month of May, for the first 15 days, we've seen some impact of the lockdowns, and the ADTV has been about 2,500 crores. So slightly lower than what we saw in April last month, but it's not been as pronounced as the problem was last year. We've also seen a lot of deposits coming into the warehouses accredited with NCCL. And what we had done proactively this year, unlike last year, was that we allowed deposits to be made into these NCCL warehouses from February itself, which is a little earlier than normal. So that has in a way helped us to get the deposits in, and also the buildup of the OI. So the OI at the same time last year was about 1,700 crore, which is about 4,500, 4,600 crore currently. So we've seen a buildup of deposits and OI. We are expecting some more deposits to come in over the next few days. Certainly, there has been some impact of that, and we've seen delays in that happening. But overall, I think there is some impact, but it's not significant. Compared to what we are seeing actually in terms of the pandemic itself. But the impact on the business is much lesser than what we are seeing around us. Hitesh, feel free to add anything if you like. But this is broadly what I would like to share. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Hello. Hello. हेलो सर।
Yes, please.
सर हमने अपना फेवरेबल वोट सेंड कर दिया ईमेल, नाउ वी कैन साइन आउट।
It would be useful. I mean, if you can wait for just another couple of minutes, I think the votes will be compiled and announced. But if you are in a very pressing hurry, I suppose you can log out if you wish. But otherwise, it'll just take 2 or 3 more minutes.
Okay, okay, okay. No
Hopefully, yes.
Since there are 3 resolutions, maybe it will take a little time. 1 is ordinary and 2 are special. So maybe we'll just complete in a couple of more minutes. I think PNB is yet to cast his vote and send it to Mr. Umashankar.
Yes, sent to by email from ibd.conche.
Is it sent to umashankar.hegde@gmail.com?
Okay, इस email पे भेजा है सर.
I'm yet to receive it. I think it must have been stuck in server, and we can send it again.
No problem, sir. For June, we will 30,000.
Yeah.
Yes, and it for available.
Thank you for considering it, sir. Thank you. And definitely about it. Thank you.
Sir, this is from Canara Bank. Can you confirm that whether you have received the email from our end?
Yes, yes, sir. We have received the email from your end, sir.
Okay. Then shall we leave now the meeting?
So just 2 minutes, sir. Let the email from the PNB come. I will announce it, and we can close the meeting, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Umashankar ji, is it only from PNB that you are waiting?
Yeah. Only that is awaited, sir.
Okay.
आंसर मिल गई है मेल.
हेलो.
वो मेल मिल गई है पीएनबी से.
नहीं सर, नहीं आया.
दोबारा भी भेजी है. तो कौन सी भेजी है? एक हेलो.
हेलो.
हेलो. हेलो. तो मेल कर देता हूँ आपने.
हेलो.
हेलो.
हाँ.
हेलो. व्हाट्सएप कर दूँ आपको.
हेलो.
हेलो.
हेलो. हेलो.
Yes, Umashankar, please speak.
हाँ सर, आई एम अनेबल टू. वो मेल नहीं आया सर, वो PNB से.
वो आपसे पूछ रहा है उमाशंकर जी. He is asking you whether he can WhatsApp the results to you.
Yeah, please do it, sir.
So please, PNB can send their to WhatsApp to Mr. Hegde. I hope they have his phone number. If not, Mr. Hegde, could you share it, please?
Yeah, sir, I'm sharing it. My WhatsApp number. हेलो.
हाँ, व्हाट्सएप नंबर दे दीजिए मेरे.
हेलो. Sir, chat में डाला है मैंने.
Asking for your phone number.
Sir, I have mentioned in the chat, sir. You can note it down. 922 620 6821.
I am sending it.
Ekdal Saab, have you received the message?
No, sir. Received from Mr. This one from Build India. I have received.
No, from PNB.
No, sir.
On WhatsApp.
Rastogi ji. Hello. You can also send it to Hoshi ji also.
हाँ सर भेज दिया मैंने व्हाट्सएप.
हाँ आया. Hello.
हाँ जी सर.
Chairman sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I have received the consents from all the shareholders present at the meeting, and I declare that it is going to be passed as it has been received, from unanimously. There is a unanimous consent received from all the shareholders, participating shareholders.
In respect of all three items?
Yes,
all
sir.
three resolutions?
Yes, sir.
So thank you very much. Thank you very much. And the report of the scrutinizer will be made available on the website of the exchange. Hoshi ji, please ensure that. And let me thank all of you, all the members and all the participants who have attended this meeting. And now, with everybody's permission, I declare this meeting closed. Thank you very much and have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Chairman, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Thank you very much,
Thank you,
everybody.
Chairman,
Thank you
sir.
so much, Chairman.
Thank you.